Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to choose another phone number or email address to call. So guys, if you're getting this error, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to close this page. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, you have to tap on your Apple ID. Now from here you have to scroll it down, then tap on sign in and security. So guys, if you are getting this error, then you have to make sure that if you have verified your email address or phone number from here, you have to tap on edit. Now tap on add phone number or email. Just simply have to add the email address or phone number here. So let me show you here guys. When you tap on that guys, after that you have to put that email address. Now after that tap on next. The verification code will be sent to your email address. You have to put that verification code. So you have to follow this process for your phone number and you have to verify your phone number. Now after doing that guys, you can easily use the email or phone number which you have verified for FaceTime. Okay guys, so what you have to do is just simply have to open the setting, then you have to scroll it down. Now from here you have to tap on messages. Just simply have to turn off the message, now turn it on again. Then you have to tap on send and receive, and just simply have to use the email address that you have verified or phone number here. Okay guys, and after that guys, you can also follow this process for the FaceTime. Okay guys, tap on FaceTime. From here you have to select the phone number instead of email address, and if it's not working on phone number, you can also use the email address instead of phone number. Okay guys, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.